Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a simple yet effective scalping system on MT4. The FRZ Turbo Scalping System comes with just two indicators, a triangular moving average-based indicator and a support and resistance indicator. The system also includes a simple Trade Manager EA for entering and closing trades, along with a template file. Let's see how we can use the system. Once you download it, you will get two indicator files, one EA file and one template file. Simply place the two indicator files directly under your MT4's indicators folder. Then place the EA file under your experts folder, and finally place the template file under your templates folder. Then make sure you have allowed the given URLs under your MT4 options. Then refresh or restart the platform. Now you can open any chart and load the template file on any time frame. Now let's look at the chart. You will see a channel indicator based on triangular moving averages. You will also notice green and red arrows indicating buy and sell opportunities. Please note that these arrows do repaint, but we can still use them for our strategy. Also, red vertical lines indicate upcoming high-impact news so that you can avoid trading during news times. In addition, you will see a support and resistance indicator showing support and resistance levels on the chart. Furthermore, you will see the Trade Manager EA buttons in the top left corner of the chart. You have just three buttons, which are self-explanatory. The green buy button will enter buy trades, the red sell button will enter sell trades, and the closer button will close all trades on a particular chart. Let's look at the EA settings. It has few simple settings. First, you get the lot size where you can set the lot size for the trades. We recommended you have maximum of 0.01 lots for each $100 balance. For instance, if you have $500 balance, you can have 0.05 lot size or less. Then you get drawdown-based stop loss. If your account drawdown goes below this level, the Trade Manager will automatically close all the trades. And then you have the option to enable or disable upcoming news on the chart. If this is enabled, all upcoming high-impact news will be shown as red vertical lines. Then you can enable alerts for the arrow signals. You can have sound phone and email alerts. Please note, for phone alerts to work, you need to connect your phone with MT4 for push notifications. Also, for email notifications to work, you need to add your SMTP server details under Options. Finally, you can set the timing for alerts. For instance, if you put 15 here, there will be a 15-minute pause until the next alert. Furthermore, you will see some key information about your account once you load the EA in the bottom left corner of the chart. Now, let's look at the entry rules, which are actually quite simple. The buy rules are, the green arrow appears. The price has gone below the lower line of the channel in the current or previous candle. There is a nearby support zone below the green arrow. Current price is below the channel middle line, and the sell rules are, the red arrow appears. The price has gone above the higher line of the channel in the current or previous candle. There is a nearby resistance zone above the red arrow. Current price is above the channel middle line. Now let me show you some examples of valid buy and sell entries. Here is a valid sell entry. And this is a valid buy entry. And these are also valid sell entries. Then, let's see how we manage the trade. We don't use a hard stop loss. We only use a drawdown-based stop loss that we set under the EA settings. If the price goes against us, we keep adding new trades in the same direction at each new arrow. This is called dollar cost averaging, or DCA method. So, when do we close the trade? We close the trade when the price reaches the middle line of the channel indicator. We don't care whether we are in profit or loss. We just close all the trades when the price reaches the middle line. Okay, now that we know the system, it's high time we did some backtesting. Let's do a short backtest using a simulator for further clarification. Please note that for real trading, you can use our Trade Manager for entering and closing trades. For backtesting purposes, we use a third-party simulator for entering trades, which is not included in the download. Okay, now we can see the green arrow and the price has gone below the lower channel line, and also there is a support zone just below the arrow, and the price is below the middle line. So this is a valid buy signal, and we simply enter a buy trade. And then we wait till price touches the middle line of the channel for exit. Here is a valid sell signal. The price has gone above the higher line in the previous candle, and the price is still above the middle line. Also, there is a resistance level above the arrow. So we enter the trade and close the trade when the price reaches the middle line. Now, let's look at some multi-entry scenario. Now you see we have a buy entry, and we enter, but the price keeps going down, giving us more green arrows. In this case, we keep adding buy entries at each arrow. For additional entries, we do not consider support and resistance or other factor, but just add more buy trades with the same volume. And when the price reaches the middle line, we simply close all the buy trades. Please note, we do not wait till the candle close above the middle line, but close as soon as the price reaches the middle line. You can see that we finally ended up with a profit. Here is a similar situation with a sell trade. We keep adding sell entries at each new sell arrow when price goes against us, and then we close all the trades when the price reaches the middle line, even if we have an overall loss. Remember that we also have a drawdown-based stop loss, which we set under the EA settings, and the EA will automatically close the trades if the drawdown reaches that level. Please make sure you use this system when the market has volume. For instance, if you use Forex pairs, you can use London session. Also, make sure you use a low-spread, fast execution broker with the highest possible leverage. You can use any time frame, but we recommend you use lower time frames, like 1 minute or 5 minute charts. Also, follow the lot sizing guidelines. We recommended you have maximum of 0.01 lots for each $100 balance. For instance, if you have $500 balance, you can have 0.05 lot size or less on 1 minute chart. You may have to lower the lot sizes further if you use higher time frames. If you use excessive lot sizes, your risk of hitting your drawdown level would be higher. So keep room for potential additional trades when price goes against you. That's all about the system, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment or contact us on our website via live chat. Finally, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thank you for watching and see you around.